Hi, and welcome to this little video on our scale-in trades. What we're looking at here is a scale-in short. Now, we've had a lot of waves up to this point, and what I call in the room is a scale-in where we go in a third, a third, a third. First entry is that orange line, which we get taken in for one contract, and now we're waiting, and right now we have our point. We usually exit with a point. If you're in multiple contracts, you can see right here, that would be our longer term target. But at this point, because we are in a longer uptrend, as you can see, this isn't a more risky one, I would say. We usually wait for it to turn and then take the first retracement. But in this case, in the room, I called the trade, and we get in, and actually we're out 1 point at this time. Anybody with a runner would put their stops after this candle forms here. We'll see where it goes. You got to give it a little time. And right now we're about a tick or two in the plus in the trade. We've got a red candle here. Okay, right now we would put our stops in at entry, so we don't want to lose anything. And we do risk going to this level up here, but we're going to wait. We will see if this pans out going to a target down around 879. It doesn't look like it. It looks like the Bollinger Bands are turning. It's hitting a support line right now. I mean, you can see all these waves up, so this is a little riskier, but we got our point. Now we're managing our runners with our stop at break even. Hopefully if it breaks, it will break hard and go a lot further than the 879. If so, we may get a chance to re-enter. We'll take out our runners at 879 or in that range. Okay, little time decay going sideways. Remember, our stop is right above. Okay, it's trying to work out for us. But we're in a risk-free trade at this point on our runners, which is what we try to accomplish at all times in runners. And then if they work, we're in on the trend. If they don't, no harm, no foul. To me, this doesn't look like it's going to break. It keeps on bouncing off that green moving average line. It seems to me it would have broken by now. But again, that's where our stop is, right here. So just barely hanging in here. There we go. We're stopped out. Okay, so in this trade, we'd be stopped out of the runners, and we'd be looking for another place to enter in on the trend, and then this trend's just a 1-minute trend. Looks like it's higher to me. If that's the case, we'll let it go up, come back and retrace, and we'll take it off the bottom Bollinger Band or orange line that forms right down here. That will turn up. If this thing moves to the upside, it will turn up. And there it goes. Well, that's a view of our scale-in. Thank you.